So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in avatar block inside of wordpress.com. So to go ahead and do that, we need to go in between two blocks right here and click on the plus button right here. Then simply go around and type in avatar right here just like this. And over here you can see that avatar is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is the avatar that you have right here, and you can go ahead and change around the image size right here as well. You can also go ahead and link this to user profile. And now you can see that this actually loaded up this particular image right here. That is because my profile picture is set as that. So you can see right here that this is my profile picture, and whatever picture is here, it gets pulled in by the avatar. You can also link it to the user profile right here and open this in a new tab as well and choose the user right here just like this. Apart from that, you can go around onto styles and apply styles to this as well if you want to, and then you can change around, let's say for example, add in a bit of border right here to this as well. So you can just go around and let's say for example, add in a border to this, and this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and press the save button right here and then go around and view the post right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see the avatar right here. And as I click, you can see that it simply redirects out onto the author right here, just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and then utilize the avatar block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.